Hello everyone, welcome to Tap and Solve. Most of us know the Botim app as a communication tool for calls and messages, but did you know that Botim is much more than that? You can actually solve many of your day-to-day issues using the Botim app. Recently, Botim introduced an amazing new feature called Send Now, Pay Later. This feature allows you to send money instantly to your loved ones in your home country and pay later in easy installments. Support us in growing and bringing you more useful content by subscribing to Tap and Solve. Let's get started. First, log in or sign up to the Botim app. Once you're in, you'll land on the dashboard. Now tap on Explore and you'll find the Send Now, Pay Later feature. Click on it and you'll see the three main highlights of this service. Instant approval in minutes. No documents required. Flexible payment terms. To understand how it works, tap Learn More. For example, if you want to send 1,500 dirhams, you can split the payment over 6, 5, 4, 3, or even 2 months and pay it in easy installments. To confirm the transaction, make sure to select Send Now, Pay Later while entering the amount. The total amount, including all fees, will be shown clearly. Next, choose your repayment plan. Then select a Visa or MasterCard debit card for auto repayment of your installments. That's the complete process to use the Send Now, Pay Later feature on Botim. To activate this feature, simply enable your SNPL option in the app. If you still have any questions or face any difficulties, please feel free to comment below. I promise to reply to each and every one of you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to Tap and Solve. Best of luck.